Everyone, Professor Baldwin here. Today we're going to look at a word problem that also involves a graph. So the graph shows how voltage is related to amperage in an electrical circuit. The slope corresponds to the resistance in ohms, and we're asked to find the resistance in this electrical circuit. Well, remember that the resistance in the previous sentence is the slope, right? The slope corresponds to the resistance in ohms. So we need to find the slope of this graph. And slope is always equal to rise over run. Or it's how your y value changes divided by how your x value changes. Remember that this triangle is the Greek letter delta, and it just means a change in. So we're looking at the change in y divided by the change in x. So we want to pick the two easiest points. Since our graph starts at the origin, we can use that as one point. And then we want to use a point where it crosses our grid. So let's use this, the point 2010, as our next point. Now the slope is going to be how y changes. So that's our rise. Well, to go from this first point to this second point, we increase by 10 units. So our change in y is 10. And then our run from 1 to 2, we run or move along the x-axis 10, 20 units. So our slope is 10 over 20, which reduces to 1/2, or 0.5 ohms. And remember, we know it's ohms because we're told that resistance in ohms.